Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is the new flagship phone from Samsung that not many people are talking about. Instead, the Galaxy S20 Ultra has taken all the headlines. But is that fair? Looking at the specs, the S20 Plus has the majority of the same features, apart from that insane camera. So let's find out. Here's my unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Unboxing the S20 Plus is what has become a typical Samsung experience. Plain black packaging with the phone sitting on top. Now the first thing that I noticed when picking up the phone was how light it feels, especially compared to the S20 Ultra and other phones such as the iPhone 11 Pro. The remaining content, a super fast charger, charging cable and a pair of wired headphones tuned by AKG, which are actually usually pretty good quality. Setting up the phone was super easy, particularly if you've already got a Samsung device. So for me, I used the Note 10 Plus to transfer all the data wirelessly, and it only took a few minutes. Now to the phone itself, and it's an impressive list. The latest Snapdragon 865 processor, 4500 mAh battery, quad camera setup, and an impressive 120Hz screen refresh rate, which is a first on a Samsung phone. All these specs are what you would expect from a 2020 flagship phone, and over the next week I will be putting the phone through its paces to test out all these features. So what are my first impressions? Well, first thing, I really like the colour. I got the blue, which is quite a subtle shade of blue. It adopts the same colour characteristics of the Aurora Glow on the Note 10 series. It's light and easy to hold. As I've said, I've been using boxy Note 10 Plus for the last few months, but the corners on the S20 Plus feel more rounded and the phone is not as wide as the Note 10, so it feels really good to hold and is relatively easy to reach in corners from top to bottom. One of my favourite first impressions has been the 120Hz refresh rate on the screen. Having used other phones with high refresh rates such as the OnePlus 7 Pro, which makes the phone feel so fast, after using it you don't really want to go back. Interestingly, the higher refresh rate screen is not enabled out of the box, so to do this you need to go into settings, down to display, down to motion smoothness, and then turn on the high refresh. Now this screen highlights that keeping the screen refresh to 60Hz results in longer battery life. So I'll be testing out how much of an impact the higher refresh rate has on the battery over the next week or so. It's also worth noting that the high refresh rate also caps the screen resolution to 1080p, meaning you can't use the Quad HD settings that you normally find on the Samsung flagship phone. If I'm being honest, I find it really hard to tell the difference between 1080p and the Quad HD in most scenarios, so it'll be interesting whether I really do notice it over the next week or so. Of course, I'll be testing out the cameras in more detail. However, initial use suggests to me that it's a typical Samsung camera experience, which is not a bad thing. In fact, it's a good thing. One new software feature I have noticed though in using the phone very briefly is called Single Take. Now this allows you to take a photo and then provide you with all the different camera effects that could be applied to that one picture, and then you can choose what your favourite one is. And I think this is a really nice touch and something a bit different. The S20 Plus also includes all the typical bells and whistles you'd expect from Samsung. Super fast charging, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, the ability to expand the internal storage, dual speakers with Dolby Atmos, a large battery, an on-screen fingerprint sensor, 5G, and so much more. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed my quick run through of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Stay tuned for my full review in the next week or so. I'd be grateful if you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and smash the subscribe button if you want to see more content coming up soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.